Do you ever wonder why English sentences work the way they do? Why do we say, she runs fast instead of she fast runs? The answer lies in the 8 parts of speech, the building blocks of English grammar. Welcome to the Grammar Doctor, where learning English is easy and fun. In today's lesson, we'll break down the 8 parts of speech, explain how they work, and give you simple examples so you can start using them correctly. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of each part of speech, and I'll even test you with a fun quiz at the end, so stick around. Every English word belongs to one of 8 categories based on how it functions in a sentence. These are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Nouns are the names of people, places, things, or even abstract ideas. For example, John, teacher, London, school, car, book, love, and happiness are all nouns. If we say, the dog is playing in the park, both dog and park are nouns because they name a thing and a place. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. Instead of saying, Sarah loves Sarah's dog, we say, she loves her dog. Common pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, they, subject pronouns, and me, him, her, us, them, object pronouns. Verbs, on the other hand, tell us what the subject is doing or experiencing. Action verbs include run, write, dance, and jump, while state verbs include is, am, are, was, and were. In the sentence, she writes a letter, the word writes is the verb. Adjectives describe nouns by giving details about their qualities, such as color, size, or characteristics. Words like red, big, beautiful, smart, and strong are adjectives. If we say, the tall girl is reading a new book, the words tall and new describe the girl and the book. Similarly, adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, answering questions like how, when, where, or to what extent. For example, in she speaks fluently, the adverb fluently tells us how she speaks. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. They can indicate place, in, on, under, time, before, after, during, or direction, to, from, into. In the book is on the table, the word on tells us the book's position. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or sentences. Common types include coordinating conjunctions like for and nor, but, or yet so, fanboys. Subordinating conjunctions like because, although, since, and while, and correlative conjunctions like either, or, and neither, nor. If we say, I wanted to go out, but it was raining, the word but connects the two ideas. Finally, interjections are short words that express strong emotions such as wow, oh no, ouch. If we say wow, that's amazing, the word wow is an interjection. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Which word is a noun? A. Jump. B. Table. C. Slowly. What is the verb in the sentence, she danced beautifully? A. She. B. Danced. C. Beautifully. Which sentence contains a preposition? A. I am happy. B. The book is on the table. C. She is dancing. Write your answers in the comments, and I'll reply. Great job today. Now you know the 8 parts of speech and how they work. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a grammar expert. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Grammar Doctor, and turn on notifications for more fun English lessons. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and improving. Bye for now.